If you have not yet established credit, the great news is you have no major issues to fix, and today is the perfect day to get started. The credit bureaus will classify you as unscorable, meaning you don't have any credit activity for the algorithms to assign you a score. Perhaps you are a millennial or a new immigrant, or maybe you simply have been told to never mess with credit. So why should you care about establishing and building your credit now? We live in a world where your credit profile is an important determining factor to getting that dream job, renting an apartment or home, or whether you pay a little or a lot to insure your car. Someone with no credit or bad credit can expect to pay 50 to 75% more for their insurance and virtually everything else. Mastering your credit involves understanding the credit game and demonstrating responsibility by making on-time payments over a period of 2 or more years. As you progress in life, you will want the option to finance a car or even a home. Building your credit now creates more options later. Over your lifetime, this could translate to hundreds of thousands of dollars saved. A credit report works similar to a school transcript. Both account for your accomplishments. Just as a transcript tells an employer that you complete the necessary coursework, a credit report tells the lender you have done the necessary work, like on-time repayment history, and can be trusted to repay tens, even hundreds of thousands of dollars that they're about to lend you. Your credit scores, just like your GPA, reflects how well you performed. Both scenarios require planning. It takes a few years to earn a degree, and it takes a couple of years to build a solid credit history. It is American to want to have options, even if we don't exercise those options. Sadly, I see on a daily basis people who think they're ready to take that next step of buying a house, only to discover they have to serve a couple more years to build their credit first. You see, it doesn't matter that you have a great job or even have saved some money. When you want to buy that first home or car or start a business, no legitimate lender can lend to you without adequate credit history and scores. All over America, there are used car lots willing to make an exception for you. You may have to buy the car of their choosing and an interest rate of 25% or more. Not great option. Entering the credit world may seem daunting, but you cannot afford to ignore it. I will show you simple steps to get started, and you will understand how the credit game is played. The reason I call it a credit game is because, like any game, there are rules. If you know the rules and play accordingly, you will score the best in your circumstance. And over a lifetime, how you engage in the game will determine your quality of life and what you will spend and save. Mastering your credit is possible in short order.